All right, today we're looking at a certified 2015 Honda Civic EX. All right, it's got 27,000 miles on it. Alabaster silver, metallic in color. All right, it was purchased here brand new at McKenney, Salinas, Honda. All right, got a clean Carfax, just one owner. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, it's got the lock unlock button here on the door handle. It is equipped with sunroof. All right, driver's side of the Civic's in good shape. All right, does have rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Passenger side also has the lock unlock button here on the door handle. Does have your blind spot monitoring camera, and we'll show you that in just a second. All right, but once again, it's a 2015 certified, 27,000 miles. It was purchased brand new here at McKenney Salinas Honda. Clean Carfax, just one owner. All right, it's got the black and gray door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It does have gray cloth seating. All right, driver's seat's in good shape. It's got the center armrest right here with your USB port. Okay, it does come with the keyless entry key fob, and there's two of them. All right, passenger seat cloth looks good. No problems there. I'll pan out and give you a shot of the sunroof here. All right, it is an automatic. It's got your HDMI, USB, and power outlet there. Climate control area here. It's going to have your display screen right here with the backup camera, the radio, and the blind spot monitoring system. We'll show you that in just a second. Got your push button start. Steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. And then you got your Econ button here, and then your blind spot monitoring button here. And we'll show you that in a second. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. All right, it's got 27,446 miles on it. All right, and up here on this display, it's got the date, the time, the temperature. All right, we'll go ahead and look at your display here for the radio. All right, and we'll get to your home page here. All right, and these are all your apps. So go ahead and activate the backup camera. All right, it does have the guidelines on there as well. Okay, and we'll go ahead and activate the blind spot monitoring camera. Let's see, might have to dim that down just a bit so you can see. All right, that's better. Let's see. All right, and it is exactly what it says it is. It's a camera view of your blind spot. You can either activate it by pushing that button left of the steering wheel, or you can use the turn signals. Does the same thing there. All right, it's got your climate control area here. AC blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and step out. We'll take a look in the back seat. Alright, door panels look good. Back seat carpet's in good shape, no staining. Back seats look good, no issues at all back here. Alright, does have the center armrest that comes down. Alright, got the cup holders. I'll go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, interior of this Civic's in fantastic shape. Let's take a look at the trunk room here, trunk space. Got the nice protector mat back here. Alright, got your spare tire and jack underneath that. Got a ton of room back here in these Civics. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, we have 16-inch alloys. Alright, it's got the nice black trim through here. Brand new set of tires. You can see the tread on them. It's absolutely brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, it's a certified 2015 Honda Civic EX. 27,000 miles on it. I was bought brand new here at McKenney Salinas Honda. Got a clean Carfax, just one owner. All right, things in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.